What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger video. So today we do have the RV4. We finally got it done. As y'all can see, we did spray clear all over it. And there is a little bit of trash here and there. We are going to be detailing it, you can call it. We are going to have 2000 in water, of course. As I like to call it, hydro sanding. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all. Basically, this is what we'll be using, 2000. Okay. Okay, there's a perfect example. You see the orange peel? I know it's hard to see, but I know y'all can see it barely. Let me see, let me turn on the flash to see if it helps out a little bit. I guess it does a little bit, but yeah, there's hardly any orange peel in this paint job.
It looks like a mirror, it really does. Okay, there's more orange peel. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding. Show y'all when it's done sanding.
So we finally get done with the RV. We finally sanded it, and I wanted to show y'all what I'd be using after we do finish sanding. We're gonna be using this McGuire mirror glaze diamond cut compound 2.0 85. We do like to use this, and you can go ahead and put it in a bottle or something, whatever y'all want. I'll go ahead and show y'all how we have it going on at the moment.
Okay, so it is the next day. We finally did get done with it. As y'all can see how glossy it is, how shiny it came out to be. Okay. Y'all do remember the compound that I used? Okay, that's the first step. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. And this thing right here will be used with this different pad, so I am gonna take off the original one I have on it right now. And this stuff works very good. It brings out that extra shine into the paint. It also fills every imperfection, basically like ceramic coating does in a way, but it's waxing. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about, how it fills in the imperfection. It makes it look like a mirror. You do see the reflection of the light of the ceiling. And then, so I just did it from here to over here. Then we go over here, and I don't know if you notice, it looks a little bit wavy, a little bit different. You could slightly tell the difference, but yeah, that's what it basically does. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it and show y'all the results at the end.
So this was the finished results of it. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It turned out like a mirror. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time.
You ain't seen the rest. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me